Hi, this is Mrs. A of Math A Matic. Today, you're going to learn about multiplication and division of. A fraction is a number that can be written in the form A over B. A is the numerator, B is the denominator. Now, multiplication and division of fractions, let's say we have A over B times C over D. Simply multiply the numerators, that is A times C, and then B times D. Okay, so let's have an example here. So we have here 2 over 3 times 3 over 5. So here, it doesn't matter if the denominators are different or the same. Just follow the steps, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, then reduce the lowest term if necessary. But this is the technique that I want you to learn. You don't multiply as in 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Just copy 2 times 3. And then the denominator also 3 times 5. 3 times 5, like that. Okay? And then after that, check if what are the common factors that can be eliminated or cancel out. That's how you're going to simplify or to reduce the lowest term. And that is 3. Therefore, the answer is, what is left in the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 5. So that is 2/5. You know why? Kasi 'di ba, pag minultiply mo ito ng as in get the product of this, that is 2 times 3, that is 6, and then 3 times 5, that is 15, and then magfa-factor ka uli. Hahanapin mo uli yung lowest term nila. So mas madali, kopyahin mo lang as in 2 times 3 like that, or 3 times 5. Then tingnan mo muna kung mayroon kang makakancel na common factors. Pag wala, saka ka mag-multiply. Pag wala kang ma-eliminate na common factors. Now, what about in division of fractions? So, I have here A over B divided by C over D is equal to AB times D over C, which is equal to AD over BC. So, paano nangyari yan? Okay, ganito ang gagawin natin. Sa isahin natin ha. Multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, ibig sabihin, yung first fraction, kopyahin lang muna natin. Tapos, instead na division, imumultiply na natin siya sa reciprocal ng pangalawang fraction. Ibig sabihin ng reciprocal, babalik na rin lang natin, i-flip lang natin yung numerator and denominator. And then, after nan, multiply lang natin yung numerators and also the denominators. So, ayan. Follow lang natin kung ano yung rules natin kanina sa multiplication. So, I have here 2 over 3 divided by 3 over 5. So, I'm just gonna copy first 2/3. And then, I'm gonna flip the second fraction. It becomes 5 over 3. Or that's the reciprocal. Now, what I'm going to do now is, I'm just going to multiply this one, but I'm not gonna get the product of this. I'm just gonna do it first 2 times 5 and then 3 times 3. And then I'm going to check if there are some common factors that I can eliminate. If none, then you can multiply or get the product. That is 2 times 5, 10, 3 times 3, 9. Kasi wala akong ma-eliminate dito, wala akong makakancel na common factors. Okay, so I have here, find the product. So we have here 6 over or 4 over 6 times 3 over 5. So, ang gagawin ko lang, i-multiply ko siya, pero hindi ko kunin yung product. 4 times 3. And then, 6 times 5. And then, titingnan ko kung ano muna yung ma-eliminate kong factors. So, gaya nito, alam ko na ang 4 and 6 ay pwede ko ma-reduce yan. So, by 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2, then 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then, ayan ang 3, pwede ko ulit siya ma-eliminate sa 3. So, ano na lang ang matira? That is 2 over 5. So, mas madali siya kaysa i-multiply mo, tapos later, ang gagawin mo, ay kukunin mo uli yung greatest common factor para ma-simplify. Okay, so next, I have here 8 over 9 times 3 over 4. So, ang gagawin ko, 8 times 3, 9 times 4. And then, check, alin ba ang ma-eliminate ko dito na factors? Okay, yung 9 and 3, alam ko na sila ay divisible by 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, then ang 4 and 8 by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So ngayon, meron na akong 2 times 1 and 3 times 1. So that is 2 over 3. Okay, next. We have here 10 over 15 times 5 over 25. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko, 10 times 5, then 15 times 25. So alin ngayon ang pwede nating ma-eliminate? Alam natin, ayan, lahat sila ay divisible by 5. Para mas madali, ito, by 5, that is 2. At ito naman, by 5, that is 3. At itong dalawa naman, 5, that is 1. At ito naman, by 5, is 25 divided by 5 is 5. So ngayon, ano na lang doon meron sa numerator? That is now 2 times 1, that is 2. Then 3 times 5, that is 15. So 2 over 15. O, di ba mas madali pag ganyan? Okay, what about this one? So 12 times 5, 15 times 9. So ngayon, tingnan natin alin ma-eliminate natin dito. Itong 5 and yung 15. By 3. So this is 5 divided, by 5, sorry. 5 divided by 5, that is 1. 15 divided by 5, that is 3. And then, dito naman ang 12 and 9. Divisible din sila by 3. 12 divided by 3, that is 4. And then, 9 divided by 3, that is 3. So ngayon, ang matira dun sa numerator ay 4 times 1. Sa denominator naman ay 3 times 3. Which is 4 times 1, 4. Then 3 times 3, 9. Okay, find the quotient. So first, anong gagawin natin? Kasi ito ay division na, dapat kopyahin lang muna natin itong first fraction and get the reciprocal of the second fraction and change this division to multiplication sign. So ayan, copy, then times, maging 4 over 2, and then follow kung ano yung rules natin kanina sa multiplication, anong ginawa natin. Kinopya lang muna natin, 3 times 4, then 7 times 2. Then, ano tayo ngayon? Kung alin dyan ang pwede, ito, may eliminate yan by 2, magiging 1 yan, 4 divided by 2, maging 2. Okay? So, what we have now is 6 over 7. Okay, second one, we have now 7. Kopyahin lang muna natin yung 7 over 6 at gawing multiplication at babalik ta rin natin yung second fraction. And then, tingnan natin kung alin yung makakancel natin. Ayan, makakancel natin itong 7 and 7. Same with 6. By 6, 6 divided by 6 is 1, 12 divided by 6 is 2. So ngayon, mang matitira na lang doon ay what? 7 times, okay, that is equal to 2. Okay? That's all. That's what you're going to do. Okay, perform the following. So, tingnan ng maigi kung ano siya, multiplication or division. Mix ito. So, first we have multiplication. So, multiply lang natin 1 times 2 and 3 times 5. Then, tingnan natin kung meron tayong ma-eliminate na common factors. Wala. So, pag wala, multiply mo na. 1 times 2, get the product, that is 2. And 3 times 5, 15. And then here, 1, 8, kopyahin natin. If-flip natin yung second fraction and proceed tayo sa multiplication. Kasi division siya. And then, ang gagawin natin, multiply lang natin. 3 times 1. And then, 8 times 2, 16. Ayan na yung lowest term niya. Okay, multiplication. So, ayan. Tingnan nyo kung alin dyan ang pwede nating ma-cancel. Yung 2 and 6. By 2, that is 1. By 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So, we have 1 times 1, that is 1. 3 times 3, 9. So, that is 1 over 9. Then, last one. So, again, this is division. So, copy the first fraction and proceed to a multiplication. And then, flip the second fraction. So, that is 10 over 6. And then, tingnan kung alin dito ang may ka-cancel natin. Of course, marami kasi even number siya. Itong 4 and 10 by 2, that is 2. And 10 divided by 2, that is 5. Ito again, pwede rin natin uli sa 2. 10 divided by 2, that is 5. And 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Sorry, that's 3. Now, multiply na natin yung natirang numbers doon. 5 times 5, that is 25. And then, 2 times 3 here, sorry, that is 6. So, 25 over 6. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like it. Bye-bye. See you.